Good morning, everybody. Sorry, my computer got a problem, a little bit delay. All right, let's see what's going on. It's interesting. Every night at 2:30, futures go down. Um, see here at 2:30, 3 a.m. futures go down. Then when market opens at 4 a.m., it jumps up. And anyhow, it was go downtrend, and then job report came, volatility up and down, and right now is upward. Um, anyhow, pre-market right now, interesting stuff is happening. 5 is up, 15 is up, 30 is curved up. So if this one golden crosses, it's gonna be a very, very, very green day. Um, Pre-market, the most important thing is the 4 hours golden cross, and the 1 hour is upward. So there is a high chance market goes very, very green today. Um, Still, we are bearish on the daily, and the weekly we have dark blue bar unless we go very, very green and recover all the losses this week. The NQ, same thing, pre-market 515 is up, 30 is not too much curved up but is upward. So if this one golden crosses, market can go up crazy. 1 hour was upward, 4 hours golden cross, that's the most important one. And it is again possibility that we run up higher. TNX, as I mentioned, it has many times, it happens in the past that, what was that? TNX, many times, as I mentioned, it can, many times when it goes above 41.68, it has chance to pull back from it, and that's what is happening so far. And you can see here pre-market 5, 15, 30 is pulling back. 1 hour is dead crossing, and the 4 hour we got dark blue bar. So this is good for market. The lower this goes, the higher market can push up. DXY is falling big, so that's very, very good for techs especially. So if it goes below 101.914, it can go close to 101.37. It needs to break this, but keep in mind, if it comes to this and then bounces back up, it's not going to be good for techs. Pre-market looking very bearish. If 515 and 30 you see MACD golden cross, it can bounce back up, but for now this is in favor of techs. Wix 4% lower. 4 hours dead crossing. In general, it's bullish on daily and weekly, but for now, for today, we got the 4 hour dead cross, so that's a good sign. 1526 breaks 1479. If it breaks 1479, market can get a squeezy and go to 1373. BTC. BTC after job report a little bit jump up, needs to get above 30k to get interesting. 4 hour got a MACD golden cross, but the weekly is dead cross. Best is to wait for the daily MACD golden cross for next run up. For now, it's just up and down there. Apple disaster earning, not disaster, bad earning, but this is just the beginning. Probably next earning is gonna be even worse. Pre-market it's making new lows. 15:30, 1 hour is downwards, so need to pay attention to the price action. If it breaks 185.21, we're looking at 183.97, 183.2 come. If 183.2 breaks, then it's gonna be disaster and go down to 175.82. Market is a little bit green, but in order to market fly up, need Apple to bounce up. So if Apple breaks like 183.2, it can drag market lower. Doesn't matter what's green or what's happening. Apple is a big portion of the market. But if you see right now it's 5 MACD is golden cross. If you see 15:30 MACD golden cross and buyers come in and deep buyers come in and passes 186.45, it can go all the way back to 188, 190, 191.7. Low chance for the second scenario, but just a possibility. Amazon, crazy earning, very good earning, and this time they didn't mess it up in the earning. 181.41, I'm sorry, it got a lot of, actually a lot of upgrade to 180, 170, 160. So it seems like analysts, they are very, very bullish on this one for this coming season. Pre-market high was 142.97, so was the high of yesterday after market, so that's the key level to watch. 141.52, 143.12 breaks that one. Next majors are 145.71, 148.3. This one is on the run, and with this speed, 150 is not too far away. 148 breaks. Next long targets are 157.82, 173, and 188 is all-time high. So Pre-market right now, 5 is a little bit curved down, 15 and 30 is dead cross downward, and then 1 hour is kind of flat. So key levels to watch is 141.52 and 139.48. Breaks either one, it can have a bigger move. Nvidia 3 points higher, it's above 447. So two key level to watch is 447.56 and 451.15. Breaks either one, it can have a bigger move. 15:30 not clear direction. 4 hours golden crossing, it's a good sign. So 451 if it passes for long, is 454.06. 456.96 if it goes crazy. 461.09 can come too. Baba, almost opening flat. 4 hours, little bit curving up. We got yellow bars there. 97.7 and 98.83 need to pass to run up higher. Earning is next week, so maybe it does another run up into the earning. Bidu, 4 hours curved up. So if this one passes, if MACD golden crosses 152.12, that's a key level to watch. Passes that one, 153, 155, 156.94. Pre-market 5, 15, 30 is upward a little bit, and they all, if they golden cross all three and passes 152, it can jump up higher. Netflix. It was interesting. It was strong yesterday, but then not too strong. A very weak close. 432 is hovering around it, so two key levels to watch is 430.49, 434.65. Passes each one, it can go for bigger run. Right now is not clear direction. The 5, 15, and 30 is just yo-yos, and 4 hours try to get a golden cross, but it diverting down. So if it passes 430, 465, it can go to the higher level and retest the highs of yesterday. If it goes below 430, it can fail and go to 426, 423. There is so many other names to focus today instead of Netflix. So Meta, pre-market 5 is up, 15 is about to golden cross, 30 is upward, 1 hour very bullish, and 4 hour we get yellow bar, but it's still flat. Need to pass 317 to get interesting. Goes above 317, it can go run up higher to the 320, 324. If it breaks 312, it can go to 310. Tesla 4 hour MACD finally golden cross yesterday after hours. At close actually, I'm sorry, it closed, it golden cross before close, and right now is upward. So if we get blue bars on the 4 hour, then it's gonna get really interesting. Right now it's gapping up 2 points. It's opening above 260.41. 5 is up, 15 and 30 and not clear direction. We got yellow bar on the TTM squeeze on the 15. We need to get a yellow bar on daily. Once we get a yellow bar on daily and the TTM squeeze, then things can get interesting. Until then, there is a still chance that these jump up be temporary. But anyhow, pay attention to the levels. If we go below 260.41, it can fail and go lower again, because 1530 is lower, is downward right now. But if it passes 262.8 and then 15 and 30 MACD golden crosses, it can squeeze up to 264.74, 266.67. And if it gets crazy, which I doubt it today, but 269, 270, 293. Microsoft, pre-market 5, 15, 30 is upward, 1 hour upward, 4 hour golden cross, so these are looking hot. 331 passes, we're looking at 333, 336, and 338.85. Google need to pass 130, 130.04. Passes that one, we can run up to 131.82. Google is known for small moves. Unless it makes a big move, then premiums can move. But for now, just building a flag after the earnings, so just up and down. We'll see what does. AMD was a nice runner yesterday, but it failed to break 115.47, and right now 5 is up, 15.30 not clear direction. Need to pass 114.22 to jump up to 115.47 and higher level. 4 hours on the edge to get a golden cross. So if it passes 115.47, it's gonna get really interesting. It can go back all the way up and recover all the losses. But 112.98, 112.21 supports, because 15.30 is downward. If 5 MACD dead crosses, it can go back down again. at the open. Boeing is just hovering above 230 for now. And as mentioned yesterday, 228 was the high of last season before the earnings. So if it goes below that, then it can go back to the lower level. But for now, it's holding above it. So need to see what's gonna happen. 4 hour, we got yellow bar. Need to get a golden cross to get interesting. 5, 15, 30 is upward. 1 hour is upward. Past 230, 295. We're looking for 235.61 next. SPY, it's above 150, 450, 450.18. That's a key level to watch today. If it passes 451.18 at open, and then we're looking at 452, 453, and 454.48. But at the same time, remember that Apple needs to join the jump up. If Apple doesn't, and consult, if Apple goes lower, it can stop it from going higher. If Apple flushes, then this can go all the way down. um, SPY 515 is upward. 30 is curved up. So if this one golden crosses and past 451, it has a chance to jump up higher. QQQ, it's above 375.1. If Apple bounces, this one is straight back to 379.77. But again, if Apple fails and can hold 375, back to 370.86. It's a little bit weird situation. Amazon is up, Apple is down. Job report, nothing special, and no effect. But we'll see who wins. Let's see who else got here. CRWD 3 points lower. So this one, we got some bounces on the golden cross on the 1 hour, but needs to pass 154 to run up to 156, 158. Coin, they're fighting with SEC. Is stupid again. Last time they did, they fall again. They went down big, so they can't fight the government. It's not smart to do. TLT. It's holding 94.98, so TNX pulling back. TLT can go up, passes 95.91, and next level is 97.41. The SQ, earning market didn't like it. 67.87 if it breaks, 66.46, 65.59. What else you got here? If there's any symbol, let me know. Airbnb opening flat, so pay attention to the levels. 140.86, 138.48 breaks either one. It can make a bigger move. Below 138, 134 can come. Above 140, 144 can come. Pre-market, not clear direction. Then what else you got here? DKNG 10% higher. 34.45 is the next target. Breaks that one. Long term 42.08. Good morning. And net, opening up. So this one, next target is 73.16. Passes that one. 75.46. 78.38 is next. Team had a crazy earning. 207.99 passes. We're looking at 216, 222, 229. Next long target. BKNG monster runner. Congratulations whoever got a lotto. And this one, let me just change this one. So if it passes 32.30 was the high of yesterday after market. Passes that one, we're looking at 3300, 3308, and next long target, I think is all-time high 3600. Yeah, so it's possible all-time high comes this season. We'll see. DDOG 7 points higher. 115.86, that's the major level. Passes that one. 921 is next. Snowed gapping up 10 points higher. 173.19 as a key level to watch. That's first target, but if it passes that one, we're looking at 175, 177, 179.34 next major. Passes that one, we're looking at 185.49 possibly next week. MDB gap up open 423, 426 next target. Passes, we're looking at 429, 435. ZS opening flat under 140. Need to pass 148 to get interesting. Pan W gap down, recovery a little bit back to 225. 1 hour, everything is bullish right now. So if it goes for recovery, 229, 233 next. That's pretty much it. IEP, unfortunately, this was a no-brainer. I made a mistake. They had crazy stuff last season going down, and it was just a no-brainer to play puts on this one. And puts were very cheap. Anyhow, low of last season was 1803, so it's a high chance to hit 805. at open or even lower. They had a horrible earning, and 10 points lower from 32 to 22. Oh my god, this was a very, very good lotto. Congrats whoever played. um, FSR. uh, So FSR, that earning, I don't follow this stock too much, so I'm not familiar. Pre-market right now, 4 hours dead crossing, and this one is below already last all-time high. So when a name goes below all-time highs of before, you want to wait until it reclaims it. Before it was 807, I don't know when was it, but this one, wait until it gets above 807 for long plays. But for now, if you're playing puts or shorting it, this one direction is downward. Five, everything looking down. 4 hours dead crossing, and yeah, nothing exciting about it for bull players. Anyhow, best of luck today, and keep an eye on Apple. If Apple bounces back up, market does have the chance to rip up higher. And as always, please like, subscribe, and share YouTube channels. And if you like, sign up for sale option service. And also, if you just want levels, chartwiser.com. Best of luck, happy Friday, and have a great week.